Second, in this area, yung mga area na yan, okay, yung mga area na yan, hanggang maayos yung lot size mo, maayos yung risk management mo, kaya mong saluhin yan kasi the market will not be on a one-way market. The market will play you, akala mo breakdown, tapos yun pala walang volume. Akala mo breakout, bibili ka ng breakout, tapos pangit yung sentiment, ibabagsak pala. Kasi again, the market is a market. The market is a what? A cumulative of emotions. If there are a lot of emotion ongoing, probably there's also liquidity there. So I want you to approach it in that way as well. So una, titingnan mo, actually, natuturo ko sa Thailand, na before you create a strategy, you need to check. Example, let's go to crypto right now. Example, you're gonna do a cost averaging strategy pero trading, hindi investment ha. Okay, meaning may cut loss ka tapos cost averaging. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin yung cost averaging tapos naka-automated ka na lower time frame sa mga ganitong klaseng market. Kasi bakit? This is very volatile. Susunugin ka dyan ng todo. If gumagamit ka, depende sa time frame ng robot or sabihin natin AI or strategy gagamitin mo. Example, magko-cost averaging ka dito, tapos trading. Titirahin ka ng liquidity dito. Kasi again, speculative assets like crypto in general. Example, anong meron dito? Aside from the resistance, this is a what? Liquidity, ladies and gentlemen.